Russia Defense Ministry shows footage of the training session of Russian special forces in the rear area of the Northern Military District, May 4. Soldiers honed their skills in covert movement in different terrain conditions, observing the enemy, and also trained in long-range shooting accuracy. Special attention was given to training tactics for actions as part of a moving assault team tasked with capturing enemy forts and positions on the front line. Soldiers also honed their skills in providing fire damage using drones with various types of ammunition attached to them. Additionally, soldiers trained in providing fire damage using drones with various types of ammunition attached to them. Firearm classes and tactical training were conducted under the guidance of experienced instructors from the Central Military District. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said Russian forces captured 2 more quarters in Artyomowsk, Bakhmut, Donetsk Republic as troops continue to push Ukrainian soldiers out of city. Russian forces destroyed Ukrainian Special Operations Center and command positions of 2 Ukrainian brigades in Lugansk Republic and Kherson region. Up to 70 Ukrainian soldiers and 1 tank destroyed in Liman, DPR. Up to 255 Ukrainian troops destroyed in DPR. In total, Ukraine lost 416 jet fighters and 230 helicopters, 3,949 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 8,967 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, also 1,095 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,728 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,949 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine claimed that Russia lost 650 soldiers in the last 24 hours. Russia also lost 5 tanks, 17 armored vehicles, 16 artillery systems, and 18 drones. In total, Russia lost 192,590 soldiers since the beginning of the conflict. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to several European countries to seek support in order to repel Russian invaders. Zelensky visited to Sweden and the Netherlands. The Russia-Ukraine lasts for 434 days. There are still no peace agreements between 2 sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!